So today we are going to take another example of job sequencing with deadline. So these are the jobs, 4 number of jobs are given with the profit and with the deadline. So we have to find out the optimal solution. Optimal solution means that the deadline should be completed and the profit will be maximum. So from here we can see, because 1 or 2 deadlines are there, so only 2 jobs can be possible. So with maximum profit we have J1 100 and J4 27. We have these 2 jobs with maximum profit, and J1 is having 1 deadline and J4 is having 2 deadline. So only we can say optimal solution. Optimal solution is J1 J4 with profit. What is the profit? 100 plus 120 plus 27, it is 127. And while 2 jobs are left, we are not able to do 2 jobs, so penalty will be 15 plus 10 25. So this is the optimal solution, and many feasible solution can be possible. Let's see how many can be possible. So we can say J3 J2 J3 J2, because J3 is having 1 deadline, J2 is having 2 deadline. So J3 J2 is possible, and with this profit will be 25. And what can be possible more? J3 J4. Yeah, J3 J4 is possible because 1 deadline and 2 deadlines. So J3 J4 can be possible. And what will be the profit? J3 J4, it will be 37. And what else can be possible? J1 J2, because 1 deadline and 2 deadline. So J1 comma J2 can be possible with profit 115. And what else can be possible? And J2 J4, J2 J4 or J4 J2, both can be possible. So because both are having 2 deadlines, so J2 J4, and so J2 J4, what will be the profit? 15 plus 27 42. In a similar way we can switch it, because both are having 2 deadlines, so it can be J4 J2. We can change the sequence. So for this also profit will be 42. So we can say simply, if we talk about one job only, so there are 4 jobs. So in respect of 1 job, how many feasible solution can be possible? 4. In respect of 2 job, how many feasible solution can be possible? We see from here 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the 6th one, 6. But in respect of 3 job, because we are having 1 and 2 deadline only, no feasible solution can be possible. So this is the way how we can find out the feasible solution and the optimal solution. Now let's take another example. Suppose we have jobs like J1 J2 J3 J4 and J5, and we have profit and deadlines, and profit and deadlines are 75 100 150 50 and 25, and deadlines are 3 1 4 3 1. These are the deadlines. So what is possible here? Let's see. So first what we need to do, first, so here we can say n 5 jobs are there. So what is the optimal solution? What is the optimal solution here? So we have 4 number of deadlines. So we can go with 1 deadline with maximum profit. So we can say this is also having 1 deadline but profit is 25, but this is also having 1 deadline but profit is 100. So we will go with J2. So J2 with 1 deadline. Now next 3 deadline. So both can be possible, J4 and J1. So we'll write J4, J1 with 3 deadline, and the last one is J3 with 4 deadline. So we'll write here J3. So this we can say this is the optimal solution. So what will be the profit? What will be the profit? Profit will be J2 profit is 100, J4 profit is 50, J1 profit is 75, J3 profit is 150. So the profit will be 375, and one job is left only, that is this one J5. So penalty will be 25. Penalty will be 25. Now we can do this thing with another way. Like first what we are doing, another method, or we can say that here we are checking like profit. Now what we do first we set decreasing order in profit. First we write profit in decreasing order for the jobs. So we write here jobs, profit and deadline. So we'll write here decreasing order. So first what will come? J3 will come. Then what will come? J2 according to the profit. Then what will come? J1. Then what will come? J4. Then what will come? J5. So we'll write here J3 150 profit, J2 profit 100, J1 profit 75, J4 profit 50, and J5 profit 25. And the deadlines are J3 deadline is 4, J2 deadline is 1, J1 deadline is 3, J4 deadline is 3, and J4 deadline is 1. Now let's see. So we can say like J2 J4, J2 J4, J2 J4, then J1, then J3. Now because we have all the profit in decreasing order, so we know which job is having maximum profit, that we have. So only we need to take care about deadlines. So according to deadline we can manage it. The same thing we are doing with this way. So this way is little easy because already profits are sorted. So we do not need to worry about profit, we need to worry about only deadlines. So the same thing, this is first job, second job, third job, and fourth job. These are the job number. So in that way we can assign them, and we can see that how jobs can be possible.